Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to move your WordPress website to a new host with zero downtime. No broken pages, no lost visitors. If switching hosting feels risky, this quick guide is for you. Let's start. Why zero downtime matters. Even a few minutes offline can mean lost traffic, lost sales, and SEO damage. So we'll keep your old site live while preparing the new one in the background. Then switch instantly. What you need? Before we begin, make sure you have WordPress login, new hosting ready, a migration plugin. Step 1. Export your website. Log into your current WordPress site. Go to Plugins, arrow, Add New, install All-in-One WP Migration, and activate. Then open Export, arrow, File. Wait for the backup to finish and download it to your computer. That's your full website. Step 2. Set up new hosting. Now, install WordPress on your new hosting account, log in, and make sure it's a fresh, empty site. Step 3. Import your site. Install the same plugin on your new WordPress site. Go to Import, upload your backup file, and confirm. Once it finishes, log back in. Your entire website is now cloned. Step 4. Test before going live. Use the temporary URL to check Homepage, Inner Pages, Forms, Login, and Speed. Make sure everything works. Step 5. Switch your domain. When ready, update your domain name servers to your new host. Because your new site is already prepared, visitors move smoothly. No downtime. And that's it. WordPress migration done the easy way. Like, subscribe for more hosting tips, and drop your questions below. See you in the next video.